Sarado. Ay, kasi hindi pwede sarado.
Tignan ko lang kakabilaan lang, sir. Kabila.
Sige. Pantay lang. Yan, bantayan mo yung ano yung battery
Yes, sir.
Masyado, medyo mataas konti. Iangat natin ito. Iangat natin ito. Ito. Para pwede natin pababa.
Iyuyo ko.
Para pwede natin pababa. Yan, tama na. Ito na. Iangat lang natin. Halika ako na. Iangat lang natin. Oops. Angat. Yan. Oop. Teka lang, di kita dito sa may side. Pantay ko lang. Kasi para pantay yung ano. Angat pa natin kuwante. Ayan. Sabot mo ba? Masyado mataas ba? Okay yan. Ayan ganyan. Okay, tapos iangat na lang natin. Ayun, swak. Ayun, swak. Ay, naka-start na ata. Naka-start na. Naka-start na. Naka-light na tayo.
Start of the ball game. Jumble. Between 6-7 and Canto Terrors. Okay, jumble. Ano yung black? Ano yung black pangalan? Hindi. Hindi. Yung black, ano pangalan? 6-7. Okay, jumble. Jumble. First ball hand. Block. A pull up. Connects 2 points. First blood. Okay. Scott and White. Canto Terror. On the right wing. Aim for 3. Denied. Foul and draws a foul. Foul. Jersey number 17. A push. 16. Correction. Jersey number 16. Inbound ng White. Jersey number 4. A throw in on the right wing. Air ball. Offensive rebound. Pass to jersey number 15 on the left wing. In and out. Scrambling for the ball. Defensive rebound yan. For black team. Akin 17. On the left wing. Perimeter. Shoot. Scrambling for the ball. Nakuha ng White. Pasa na kaagad yan sa uno. Crossover move all the way. No basket. Defensive rebound para sa black. Atake 17. Naku po, nagpapambol. Hinaharas ka agad ng depensa. Jersey number 0, aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 5-0. In favor of black. Jersey number 15 receiving the ball. On the right wing, transition play. Switch back sa 15. Orchestrating the play on the left wing. Transition inward pass on the low post. Shot clock winding down. Oh, outbound. Loses the ball. Turnover. Turnover para sa block. Jersey number 6 receiving the ball. Baba ng bola. Setting up the play. Being harassed. Looking for pass to jersey number 77 on the left wing. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. It's 8-0. Mukhang wala pang load ng White. Hindi pa sumasagot. Sweet. Cross-court pass. Inward pass. Teardrop. Off the ring. Scrambling for the ball. Nakuha pa rin yan. Kick out sa 3-point area. Short. Defensive rebound na sa east. Para sa black. Atake ulit ang black. Discarte. Jersey number 16. Scouting the floor. Pass on the left wing. Atake sa baseline. Inward pass. Ooh, nice pass. Connects 2 points. It's 10-0. Bishop score in favor of black. Pass to jersey number 15. To jersey number 1. Rabeno. Aim for 3 off the ring. Defensive rebound ng 18. Para sa block. Atake sa east. Looking for a pass. On the right wing. Baliktaran numero 1. Engaging. Turnaround shot layup. No basket. Defensive rebound ng 8 yan. Para sa White. Ooh. On the right wing. Aim for 3. Short. Offensive rebound. A putback ng uno. Sumagot na. 10-2. Atake Hernandez. Crossover move all the way. Fakes and pop. No basket. Offensive rebound ng 16. Shot lock. Down to 10. Shot clock winding down. Penetrate. Ooh, a poor shot. Last touch pa ang White. Same ball possession, shot clock 14. Scatter sa East. On top of the key. And draws a foul. Foul. Jersey number on the 3-point area. Foul. First throw. No basket. Second throw. Basket, second throw. Last throw. One out of 3. Box out ng White. Atake ang 15. A series of crossover with, naku po, steal. Sayang naman. Atake ngayon, 2-on-2, 3-on-2 situation. A pull up, mid-range J, nothing but glass. And a push. Loose ball foul by jersey number 8. A loose ball foul by jersey number 8. A push. 5 minutes and 41 in this first period. Jersey number 77. And traveling violation. Turnover. 5 minutes and 30 in this first period. Atake ang 4. Pinaharas. On the side. A pull up. Off the ring. Offensive rebound ng 4. Wala ang putback. Defensive rebound ng doble 7. Pinaharas sa the baseline. Naipasa ang bola sa 16. All the way on 16. Coast to coast. And traveling violation. Mandatory substitution. Turnover yan para sa White. Violation, traveling. And jersey number 9 receiving the ball para sa White. Scouting the floor, surveying the floor. Pasa on the right wing. Connects 3 points. Atake ang 11. Milano on the left wing. Transition of play, a pull-up, mid-range J, basket by jersey number 26. 13-5. White down by 8 points. Atake kagad. Atake ang 3. Drop pass lang yan sa 18. No basket. Offensive rebound pa rin 18. Kick out sa 9 ang pasa. On the right wing, aim for 3. Oh, nice stack up. Jumbo. Same ball possession. Same ball possession, shot clock 14. Next arrow possession natin para sa block. Next arrow possession, alternating arrow, block. Switch back sa 1. On the left wing. Connects off the glass. Connects 3 points. 8-13. 5-point lead block. Discarte 26. Sarmiento. Looking for a pass. On the left wing. Jersey number 24. Switch back sa 26 on the right wing. Hinaras. Steal by jersey number 3. A 2-on-2 situation. Connects 2 points. 13-10. 3-point lead para sa block. White down by 3 points. Aatake din engaging. A teardrop. No basket. Scrambling for the ball. Same ball possession. Block. Same ball possession. Shot clock 14. Lano, aim for 3. On the right wing, no basket. Defensive rebound kaagad yan. On top of the key. Short, aim for 3. Atake ngayon ang block. Pass break. Sa big man, nakita sa low post. Reverse layup of the glass. Connects 2 points. Reverse layup. Jersey number 9. On the left wing transition. Penetrate sa baseline. Connects 2 points. Lano, receiving the ball. Nagbaba ng bola para sa block. Engaging, penetrate. Naku po, na-inkanto. Defensive rebound ng 18. Ang pinasa na yan sa Hipolito. I-discard si Hipolito, jersey number 3. Pasa sa uno, penetrate. Layup. No basket. Nakakuha ng 11. Box out dyan.